Hi, welcome again. And in this section of the course, we are going to discuss about sensors which can be integrated with Arduino board. So we are going to pick a few of them, and the first one we are going to discuss is ultrasonic sensor. This sensor is used to measure the distance of an object which is reflecting the sonar waves being transmitted from this sensor. In actual world, the sensor which you have is having 4 pins like this, but for the simulation environment we can take the sensor with 3 pins also, where echo and trigger are both at the same pin. So we take this sensor, we start the simulation, and we click here, and we can see that the distance of this object can be measured in centimeters and inches. So you can see it clearly. Click here and you can move this object far or nearer in this range, in this angle, and it can give you the distance. So that's so easy to read distance from ultrasonic sensor. How to bring this on an Arduino board? So we take the Arduino board and we need to connect the power supplies first. So ground is connected to ground, and 5 volt is connected to 5 volt, and then comes the signal. This signal you can connect to any of the pins. So let us say we have connected it at pin number 2. Now the connections are done. Let's come to the coding part. In this example we are going to start coding on the text part as well. So we select code plus text, and now you can see whatever is being made as block, the same text will be generated here. I remove this part. I need to read the ultrasonic sensor data. So we go to input, and yes, we have the option here to read ultrasonic at a given pin and the units in centimeters or inches. So I have attached at pin number 2, and the same pin is acting as trigger as well as echo. Now I need to store this value somewhere, whatever we are reading. To do that, I make a variable. I can give any variable name like distance or xy, whatever you think, and the variable is created. So I set this variable value. You can change, if you have multiple variables here, you can change it which variable you want to deal with, and I store here. So now if you see, we are setting the value of variable dist to the distance measured by ultrasonic sensor at pin number 2 in centimeters. This is all. If I want to print this on serial monitor, I can go to output and say print to serial monitor, and what should I print? The value of distance. So bring distance here. So that's it. This is the easy program for just a simple integration of ultrasonic sensor with our Arduino board, and we are going to check it now. So we move our board a little far here, and we see the code. We can see serial monitor here, and we start the simulation. So now you can see it is printing the distance, which is same 132.9 or 133. If I move it further, the distance is 245, and we can bring it. So the integration of Arduino and ultrasonic is done. Whatever is the distance being measured by ultrasonic, we are able to get it on our Arduino board. In the next video, we are going to see an interesting application of ultrasonic sensor by using the same concepts. Thank you.